Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to convert a Figma design to the Flutter app using Google AntiGravity. So guys, if you want to convert your Figma design into the Flutter, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you open your image and your project. After that you select your screen. So like this is my mobile card screen. Here you check, and here I am just click it. Now first of all you export this into the export into the any image format, like if you are interested in PNG, JPG, SVG. So select the PNG and click the option of export mobile cart. Just click it, and guys here you see this is my mobile cart, and click the option of save. Okay, now image is saved in your computer. Now you go back to the anti-gravity. After that click the option of plus icon. In the plus icon here you see the option of media and upload your image. Okay, now you mention your image and upload your image, and now the next step is you write the prompt of this code. The prompt is, please convert my above image into the Flutter design. Okay, so you simply type convert the above image in Flutter UI. Now you simply hit enter. So after few seconds it adds some dependencies in your project and add some Flutter versions and some lot of these things in your IDE. When everything is complete and everything is finished, so it gave you the code and you just use this code in your project. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can convert, and you also use the black box AI if this is not work. So guys, it asks you allow for locating the Flutter executive, confirm the command, and a lot of these things are allowed, and you just allow all these things, but you when you allowed before you read it. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.